Why is it crucial to keep up with new generation tools? They fuel productivity, overhaul workflow, and reveal new opportunities. This video will dive into 6 revolutionary tools that are transforming the panorama of technology. First up, we have ChatGPT, OpenAI. Not just versatile and adaptable, it's a multitasker. It has the ability to draft emails, write code, and even create poetry. However, it still needs guidelines for a better understanding. Bing AI, Microsoft's CoPilot. CoPilot is a helping hand to developers. It only aids coding, but in debugging. Let's dive into the phenomenal world of Gamma app. It's a game changer for those who strive to transform data into easily understandable visuals/presentations. Shifting our focus to DallE. This is an AI tool, generate images from textual descriptions. However, it's not without its flaws. It still needs some fine-tuning. Next, we introduce Notion AI, an all-in-one workspace for writing, planning, and organization. This efficient, multi-purpose workspace is a must-have in your productivity toolkit. Finally, we introduce Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform. Simple and easy to use. You do not need design qualifications to use it. However, it may not meet the demands of more intricate graphic design requirements. Each tool provides unparalleled features that can boost your efficiency. Happy exploring, and follow Life Coach 5 for more.